Hey foodie babes, welcome back. Today I am going to be making some wonderful jalapeno egg white bites, and they are going to be amazing. I'm sure you probably have a few of these things in your refrigerator. They're just very simple, and we can get started. Okay, so just a few little ingredients, simple. I have a little bit of jalapeno cut up, a little bit of fresh scallions, some fresh spinach, about a half a cup of diced tomatoes, some fresh parm. I have already pre-cooked some turkey bacon and I added in some butter so it could have some little crispiness to it. You are welcome to use pork or whatever is to your liking. Also in here I have some egg whites, and so if you just want to whip that up a little bit just to give it a little bit of fluffiness, that would be great. And then here I have a few of my seasonings. Now, you are welcome to use any type of seasoning that you want. For me, I have a little bit of garlic, rosemary garlic. I have some all-purpose, and I have some onion powder. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add that into my egg white mix. So I'm just going to add it in there because I want my egg whites to have some flavor to it rather than it being bland. And I'm just going to mix that up. So we're good there. Next we are going to add our spinach. So we're just going to put this on the bottom. And this is really a nice little quick breakfast on the go snack. You can eat it throughout the day. You know, a lot of people are starting to really diet now and being more health conscious because, you know, we're coming out of pandemic, hopefully. But, you know, a lot of people are getting out and they're exercising because the weather's changing. So, you know, it's just a quick little, nice little healthy breakfast bite that you can have on the go. So, okay, so once that's all in there, next we are going to add our tomatoes. Just going to add a little bit of tomatoes. And you want to make sure that each cup is actually filled up evenly. Okay. I like tomatoes, so I'll be using quite a bit. I'm just making sure I spread them out evenly. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add a few scallions. And this is optional. Everyone doesn't like onions, so I get it. But those who do, it just enhances the flavor. It's almost like a little mini omelet, if you will. Okay. Next, I'm going to be adding my bacon bits, my turkey bacon bits. Probably a little easier for me to do this with my hand. I tell you guys are gonna love these. They're so good. If you come home from work and just don't feel like cooking anything and you just want something light to eat, I'm telling you, these are the go-tos. And if you have a little bit of bacon oil left over, just go ahead and douse your spinach with it. It's not going to hurt anything. It's just going to bring more flavor out. Alright, y'all ready for some hotness? So, you can do one or two things. You can actually put these in as is, or you can put them into your egg whites. I'm going to put them in my egg whites because I don't want big chunks of jalapeno in my bite. So hopefully this will create some evenness. So you just want to fill each of your cup with your egg whites. And then you're going to bake these on 350 for 18 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm going to put some fresh Parmesan cheese on here. This is optional. I'm just gonna put a few sprinkles on here of some fresh parm. Alright, I have my bites prepared and they are going to go in the oven for 18 minutes. I have my spinach jalapeno egg white bites inside the oven for 18 minutes and they are baking at 350 degrees, so we will bring them out as soon as they are done and yummy. Okay, here you go guys, my delicious jalapeno spinach egg white bites. They are delicious, low in calories, and they are just the perfect little egg white bite that you can just pack in your lunch bag and just on the go. They are so delicious. You guys are going to really enjoy these.